Welcome to Shopping Store. Bajaj Immersion Rod Water Heater. Type, rod, power requirement, 230 to 250 V, 50 to 60 Hz, low-cost water heating. No installation is required. Anti-corrosive material, low-cost water heating, consumes less energy. Heating element type, hairpin tubular element. Product dimensions, 40 cms. Warranty, 1 year on product. Included in the box, 1 unit immersion rod, warranty card, user manual plug, 16A, 3-pin plug. Thanks for watching. Visit our shopping store website. The product link is given in the description box. Please like, share and subscribe.